Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Let's start another video with another market strategy. Let's go to the time frame 30 seconds, glass candles. Let's go to the indicators, and that is only 2 indicators. That's very good. That's used for you, SuperTrend and Vortex. Alright, so you can add this to your favorites. There are the ones in that. Okay. So we have the 2 indicators, guys. Let's go to that. Let's set up this. Okay. SuperTrend. Let's go. 7 and 2. HR period multiply it. The color is up to you if you want to use the same that I'm using. Alright. Vortex 7 and that's just 1. If you want to use the same thickness. We're gonna start with 39, 25 minute amounts and 1 minute and expiration time. Okay. So 30 seconds for time frame and 1 minute expiration time. Let's identify a good opportunity for us. We got this, okay. I will activate what is this upward entry. Let's see 2, 1. Okay, we just got this by button. That's an upward trend and Vortex already indicated an upward movement. And well, I already have 2 confirmations. What strategy is all about? The trend to favor the trend and remain in that direction. This strategy is very simple. You just have already explained that indicator several times in other videos, but also with other indicators. So up to 30 seconds on what's the cattle to see pair for entry this section. All right. So that's is good. So let's second, guys. In the first trade, we have this. We got the first to 1. That's pretty good for $8.62 total. Let's increase our amount and make another entry. All right. Just pay attention when it got this point. That's pretty good. I very like to win, guys. So you have that look at 2 or look for another entry and when I have it. I would take and explain it. Remember there to trade outside the trend or when there are no more rejections. Not because when it got the buy signals it's already too late. Alright, so got the green line on the red one. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. But that's against the super trends. Let's try another one. Oh, yeah, guys, we can do that. If you just notice, we got the Vortex, we got the super trend. That's pretty good. All right. That's all the 2 confirmations. Okay, the likes close very tight. The entry, you can see that. Close to the line. Wait again for the rise again. It's break again. And enter on the upside. It looks like entries with more confirmation. Of course, the entry point is very high. That can affect the result. But well. Okay, I'm right in the position for that. I will have to see how the second markets. And look at this. We just got our second one. 86 a profit, $103.04 in my account right now. That's all so close, man. Oh my goodness. Sometimes I tell you guys, if you see zone is very high up, sometimes it's better not enter because you can lose that. But sometimes you can take a risk. You can lose that. So to see markets at the entry point, so video for the bad as that, those entry pass. Well, let's look for the last position. When I have it, I did take the explain it, okay? So I have it right here. Just got almost the same situation. The Vortex crossing line, green with the red one. By the super trend, that's pretty good. I had a red tails at the point, and though it was good option because that's case I'm in favor of the trend. All right, I'm not against this. That's the criterion. You have to observe carefully. In the case of Tesla, is this one, it's doing a double button. can do that. All right. You see the entry point. Notice that the high, assume that you saw the previous one, it would have ended here. And the entry occurs above. They had to think about it. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. But why? Because entry point takes me up. It's very high, and I could lose the position. Okay, in that situation, if you just got a correction, it's better to use sell button. And look at this, guys, just got another one. 144 the total. All right. So that's pretty good, guys. In the end, with this and up 39 to 140. Remember that strat have a 70% effective and hates. It's not that we're going to win and then 10, you're gonna take 7. You have to wait for confirmation, right? So guys, I invite you to today's live stream on YouTube. I want to say goodbye, have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Actually, right now, good profits, good session, and see you guys. Bye bye.